this should go.
It's live engine tested. You get a video clip of your test and tune. We do vapor zinc chromate plating and vapor horning.
Okay.
And if we need to install brass bushings, we do that too. So you get the whole shebang.
How much for a single barrel? I normally do my own carburetors. I just got fed up with that 1.650.
Yeah, basic single barrel is usually 179.
Okay.
Unless there's a lot of parts involved.
No, just a little old 6-cylinder single barrel Chevy. Okay.
The Hollies and the Quadrajets, they take a lot of time. So.
I've rebuilt a few of them.
Yeah.
This one just gave me a
Parts
while.
in there, a lot of parts.
But the Edelbrocks are fairly easy, and the one barrels are fairly.
Oh yeah.
Air fuel ratio. We make sure the balance for both exhaust, and then plus the vacuum. Make sure we have the highest vacuum, and you just adjust everything so everything is equal. Okay. On both exhausts. So basically it's 12, 12 and a half. It's not warmed up yet though, but once it warms up, these will say like 12. And then I think we just balance them out. That's usually generally it. And